our business product which we name Macrame Craft Gallery. Our product have various types of models that are cute, unique, and interesting. Here, you also don't need to worry about color problem because you can request color according to the needs you want. How very helpful, right guys? Our macrame is also very suitable as additional at a room to make it a look more beautiful, aesthetic, and pleasing to the eye. Come on guys, order immediately and get our product with the best quality and affordable price. Don't forget to check our social media. Bye!